What are you doing, Doris?
Making supper. Why?
Steak?
Yes, dear, I am making steak.
Okay. Rosie, come down here right now.
Why, yes, Dad.
Your teacher called me and told me you pulled the fire alarm. Is this true?
Yes, because I hate school.
Rosie, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That is so IT. You are grounded until 2 centuries. Go to your room right now and never come out again.
Man, I really messed up.
Man, I wonder what happened.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.